So, unfortunately, another issue with my Peugeot 308 over the past few months. Usually when driving a bit more sporty, let's say, I've been getting the all too familiar engine repair needed message along with the engine light and limp mode where the turbo's disabled. The associated code is P0039. So after a few searches, it appears to be a bit of a common issue. It seems after about 100,000 Ks, quite a few of the plastic parts on these engines start to fail, including the turbo bypass valve. So here I am just unscrewing the valve, very easy to get to. So I started with a bit of a visual inspection of the valve, hoping to find something obvious. And you can see here some of the internal plastic parts have completely failed. The rubber section appears to be in pretty reasonable condition, but otherwise all the black plastic in there is sort of crumbling away. So I decided to go for a Go Fast Bits valve assembly, just because they're quite reasonably priced. They're nicely made and clearly much more solid than the stock part. They're also Australian designed and manufactured. So you can purchase them directly from Go Fast Bits, which is what I'd recommend, as there seem to be some counterfeit parts out there in the market. So you'll notice here it's not the best unboxing. It's actually upside down and back to front. You get the idea, it's very nicely presented. So it comes with some very clear instructions, details about the part, the expected performance gains you should see, and some disclaimer stuff there too. Came with a sticker as well. I don't think my car really qualifies for that sticker, so I'll put that aside. So you can see here some of the crumbly plastic bits that I pulled out. So you need to remove all of that to fit the valve. I wasn't too sure about this black plastic lip on the edge, so I left that. I thought I'd just do a quick test fitment, and wouldn't actually fit, so that needs to be removed as well. You can see there nice and close. It sort of looks like it's part of the housing, but that will pop out. Yeah, popped out very easily. So the full assembly, You get a very satisfying click when the two parts go together. So the instructions suggest lubricating the piston. So just some clean oil. And that's pretty much it, fully assembled, ready to go back into the car. So just showing here the difference between the stock screws and the ones that come with the valve. So reassembly, pretty straightforward. And that's it. So time to take it for a spin. So it's far more responsive. You can actually hear the dump valve. Previously I couldn't hear that with the stock one, and if I was driving like this I'd get an error. So it's definitely improved. It's probably psychological, but it does feel a bit more responsive as well. Considering it takes about 10 minutes to do this full modification, if you want to call it a modification, I'd probably call it just an improvement. I'd actually recommend just doing this anyway, even if you haven't got the engine code, because it's inevitable, it's going to happen sometime. This way I think you're good, won't have to worry about it ever again. It's a very solid part. Very happy with it. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.